What's up, guys, and how are you doing? Let me catch you guys up to speed on what is going on and why am I back in a video in uniform. Why are we driving a Jeep? Okay, I'll explain it all. Why am I in the Jeep? I'm in a Jeep because we have another issue to fix. We got another issue to fix. You heard me. I'll show you guys what's wrong. It is the AC fan blower resonator. I keep saying resistor. Shit. It's an AC fan blower resonator or resistor. I don't know. It's one of them. But anyways, that's what's wrong. I called O'Reilly. I called AutoZone. They all have the part. It's going to be super cheap, super quick, easy fix. So that's what we're going to do. Thank you guys for coming along. Thanks you guys for playing along. Let's get this stuff fixed. Let's get it done so we can get the Jeep back on the road. Now the Jeep is on the road, of course. I know we've been dealing with a tire issue, but that's just the Hawaii kind of roads. You can't run from nails, so expect your tire in this state, in this place, to have at least 10 holes in it and 10 plugs, honestly. If it was a Camaro, I like the speed, so I know to get new tires. If it's a Jeep, I'm plugging and slugging and getting it over with. Simple as that, all right? So I know the noise from the AC has came back, but this is what we're dealing with. All right, so we do have that AC issue. Don't worry, again, this is a 2006. It's old and beat up. I just knocked the knob off. I don't care. All right, so the fan is on, right? 1, does not work. 2, does not work. 3, it starts to blow. 4, it blows even stronger. But again, 3 works, 2 doesn't, 1 doesn't. The reason is, guys, I did some YouTube, watched some YouTube videos, and there is something in the back of the, we'll take these clips off when I get to the house, and we'll get in the back of the glove box. There is a black box called a resonator. When it gets rusty, due to humidity or whatever the case may be, it just stops working. What it does is electric charge, right? We got setting 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1 sends a certain amount of charge that tells it to blow low. 2 is the higher charge, so on and so forth. Let's make up numbers. 2 volts on 1, 4 volts on 2, 6 volts on 3, 10 volts on 4. It's gonna be maxed out. That's when it blows the hardest. That's why we're having this issues, because 1 and 2, those circuits in between the resistor or the resonator, whatever the part's called, I have it up on the screen, that needs to be changed and fixed. We're gonna go buy this part for about $24, and then we will change it at a later date. When I say later date, you will see it in the video. For me, it's probably gonna be a matter of hours. So let's go to O'Reilly's and get this part.
A few moments later.
Whew, it is hot. So I'm sorry I didn't shoot in the store, guys, but I have the resonator right here. This is the resonator. It says, again, what we got? Professional quality automotive parts, piece, all that good stuff. This is what it looks like. Give me a second. This little piece here is what deals with everything. So this is the bread and butter when it comes down to the power distribution. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 leads on the inside. Again, those 4 leads to me mean setting 1, 2, 3, 4, and it tells what power for the fan to be what power to give the fan, so we know what speed the fan is going to be set to. I will talk to you guys at the house when it's way more quiet. Hopefully this, again, feel free to put comments in below. I'll reply back if you guys are dealing with the same issues, and then I can help you guys out on that. But it's hot. I gotta go. Well, guys, I am changed. We're about to take out this glove box. Let's get this over with and started. Let me show y'all how to access the fan resistor, whatever. All right, bada boom, bada bing. You're gonna see these little clips on the side. You're gonna pull one out. You're gonna pull the other one out. And your dash, I mean, I got crap in mine, but it should come straight down. Let me turn the light on. All right, when it comes straight down, we're looking at right here. This is exactly what it is. So we have a screw up top, screw on the bottom, and that's where we're gonna take it out. Let me see if I can get that red clip out. No, I can't. Hold on. All right, these mosquitoes are eating me up. I have a 8mm. That's exactly what it's gonna take to get it off. 8mm. Make sure I got it on the right way. Yep. Loosen. I like drills, okay? I don't like the whole hand stuff. I know people are worried about dropping screws. It just fell in, but it ended up falling on the ground. So too easy. I don't know if I can reach this one though. Damn. It won't reach. Let me figure it out. Maybe I can, I don't know. Let's see. All right. I'm gonna use, this isn't even gonna work. I don't know what the hell to do. Oh, I can access it from the bottom. So from the bottom, you can use your 8mm. See, as you can see where I'm at, boom, and loosen it that way. All right, when I get it loose enough, I'm just gonna throw this 18 on there by hand. And I am going to personally hand crank it. Because again, I'm lazy. Then when I get it loose enough, I'm going to throw it back onto my drill because it should be out far enough now. All right, so get the last screw out. I'm just gonna place it here. And then I should be able to yank. There we go. Pull that straight out. All right, maybe I should have turned the AC off. Ooh, y'all heard that? I would have got shocked. I'm going to look at the old one, see if I see any issues. Yeah, I could see where a few of them were messing up. Let me try to get this red clip off.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight.
I don't know which one is 1 and which one is 2. I don't see any rust, I don't see any corrosion. It just went bad. Maybe the plug's on the inside. No, I can't. I mean, I wish I could give you guys an easy answer and say, hey, this is what was wrong with it. But you can't really tell. The old one is gone. Again, boom. If you guys are looking for anything, this is the part number. This is a standard professional quality automotive part. Boom. Where's the part number so I can help you guys out? Here we go. All right, so it's a resistor. It is the AC 2006 Jeep Liberty resistor fan controller. That's what it is, a resistor resistance. That way you have different gauges to allow these to work if they do not. That is it.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Let's do what we came to do.
Who shot your homeboy? With a diaper on, got on the city, girls beating, got a cipher on.
Yeah.
Your girl said she dickin' with the baby right or wrong. Just get in the rental car while the lights was on. You know me, I be chillin' and coolin', know I'm the shit.